So this is my uncle's neighbor's house, and this is a Ruud unit. I think there might be just a loose bolt there or something because it rattles like heck. And I don't think it used to rattle. And here's my uncle's unit. ICP. So, yeah, that's that unit. And then there's a couple more over there. Which, there's a ream right there. And a train. Yep, ream and a train. And a Ruud Achiever and an ICP. ICP is at my uncle's house. And the ICP replaced a 1990s Ring Classic X unit. I don't know the tonnage or the year, but that was pretty much the style unit that it had, so. And that's the unit. I honestly don't remember this unit actually being here. I probably never looked. You cannot even hear the compressor in that. It's just the rattle that takes over. Yeah, so that's it for the units at my uncle's house.